Okay, so here is our pork chili verde, and we are going to put this, oops, here we go. I'm going to show you guys how we make burritos with this. Add rice and beans and fold into a burrito. Okay, so here is the rice. We are going to take a little bit of rice and spoon this on our burrito. A little bit more. Okay. So I'm going to do this to our other one, so I'm going to make 2 at a time. Okay, so after the rice, we've got our beans in the jar right here. So I'm just going to spoon some of these on here, on the burrito. So rice that's stored, canned beans, canned chili verde, pork chili verde. Then we're going to get our pork chili verde and put it on the top. Here's our pork chili verde. So I am going to do, I should have changed burritos. Look at that. Oh, it looks so good. It tastes really good. I've already tasted it. Really good. Came nice and thick. These are going to be delicious. I got to get the cheese out. I'm going to put a little bit of cheese on these. Okay, let's finish this up and then I'll get the cheese. Okay, so I am putting cheese on the top of this. I'm going to put cheese on both. Now, if they get cold, you guys, you can microwave them. You can put them in the air fryer. You can fry them if you want to. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to fold these. Just like I did the chimichangas when we made them. So I'm going to fold this end. I'm holding the camera so I can't do it on camera. I'm going to fold this end and this end right here. And then I'm going to pinch it here and fold this over. So I'll show you guys in just a second. Okay, so I folded that burrito just like that. And I'm going to do the same with this one. Okay, so we have 2 folded burritos. And they're not perfect, but that's because they're going to be wet burritos. So these are nice and hot. We are going to put our hot sauce on top of the burritos and put some more cheese on them, pop them in the microwave for about 20 seconds, and have a nice wet burrito. You can add some olives to this, some fresh avocado, some sour cream, anything that you want, and you'll have the perfect pork chili verde burrito. Okay, so we did this, some of the meat on the side, the cheese, and I'm going to pop them in the microwave and show you what they look like. And there you have it, you guys. Melted cheese, a little dollop of sour cream. I didn't have time to make guacamole, but you can certainly do guacamole with this. It'd be amazing. I do have avocados, but didn't have time to slice them or make guac with it. So from this to microwaved, you can certainly put it in the air fryer if you want to, or like I said, deep fry them. They are delicious, but this is one way to use your pork chili verde. So for the word of the day today, let me know how you use your pork chili verde if you've ever made it. And the word of the day will be pork chili verde burritos. I will see you guys soon. Please post your questions in this video and I will answer them on Thursday. Or in the live on Wednesday, depending on how I feel. The live will be either Wednesday or Thursday, so I will let you guys know. It'll be a premiere. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos, and stay tuned for more, you guys. Lots coming up. See you soon. Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. So today it's going to be a really quick video. I'm just going to show you because we are using our canned chicken chili verde. I'm going to be heating this up. It's got chicken in it, and it's got the chili verde sauce. So I'm going to be heating this up, reducing it a little bit, making it a little bit thicker. This has onions in it, and we've got our beans right here. This is already opened. It's been in the refrigerator. It's leftover beans. And I have rice cooking. Actually, it's done right here. And some burrito wrappers, just plain generic ones. And we're just going to be making green Chile Verde burritos. So this is also the question video for this week's question and answer session that we're going to have. I will be here Wednesday and Thursday of this week, so we will be having lives on one of those days for the regular membership and the paid membership. So regular subscribers and then our paid membership subscribers, the creative canners. So I cannot wait for that. Been looking forward to this. I'm feeling a little bit better this week, so far doing really good. So let's hope that I keep doing that. So last week's video of the collaboration that we did went really well. You guys really liked that. So this week, which I had already planned to do, I'm going to do a longer version of what I will and will not can, because there is so many things that I can, and I just could not fit them into that video. And 4 years ago, we did a lot more than just 5 things. We went through a lot of stuff that we canned and we didn't like, or we did like, and, you know, explain to you guys stuff. And so I want to do that again. And then don't forget, on the 25th, we are having the what I like to dehydrate and what I don't like to dehydrate video. That'll be a collaboration. We've got, I think, 9 channels so far. If any of you guys want to be a part of that, anybody watching, please email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com and let me know. You are welcome to join us, as long as you do it according to how you're supposed to do it. So we are going by the rules. We're not doing rebel dehydrating here. Okay, so let's get started with these burritos, because it is already after 7 o'clock because of the time change. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was not ready for that at all. Not at all. Okay, so I'm going to be heating these. I'm going to open them, and I'm going to be heating these in a pan and just heating them up and then reducing them. So I will take you along for that. Okay, so I have just opened my jars, and I want to show you guys the lids. Don't worry about that. That is cilantro that's in the jars. It has no bearing on whether the food is good or not. We know that we can this properly. It is safe to can. I started pouring this out, so it's got stuff on the edges, but yeah, it's safe to can. There's no problems, so let's get started. Here's the pan. We're going to get started. So just as a side note, I do save my lids, and I do reuse them for dehydrating and for dry storage. When they're like this with meat, I have a general rule. So with meat lids and tomato lids, I throw them away. I don't even bother with them. I could clean them in my dishwasher, but I do not. You can see the lid right here. You cannot use them for canning, you guys. Do not reuse your lids. Okay, you will get failed lids, failed seals. Do not do that. So these I'm throwing away.